Yeah. I want to share one file. I want to share a file that is this one. Yeah. Important banking current affairs for SBI CBO examination, IBPS PO examination, October to December 2021. RBI superseded or replaced the board of directors of two non-banking finance companies, that is SREI Infrastructure Finance Limited and SREI Equipment Finance Limited, due to governance issues and defaults in meeting their various payment obligations. Number 2 point, RBI supersedes board of Reliance Capital, appoints Nageshwar Rao Y as new administrator. Number 3, RBI released the report titled Quarterly Basic Statistical Return, BSR1, Outstanding Creditor of Scheduled Commercial Banks, June 2021. As per the report, the bank credit registered a 5.8% growth in the first quarter of the financial year 2021-22. RBI has released the second edition of BRICS Economic Bulletin 2021. India's recovery projected to be higher than other BRICS nations. Number 5, Gujarat with 15.9% manufacturing growth became India's largest manufacturing hub, or RBI, or manufacturing hub, as per RBI data. Number 6, on account of the feedback received from the Indian Banks Association, the Reserve Bank of India has eased the current account rules for bank exposures less than rupees 5 crore and allowed borrowers to open current accounts, cash credits, and overdraft from the banking system under certain provisions. Number 7, RBI reviewed and revised the existing PCA, Prompt Corrective Action Framework, for all scheduled commercial banks, excluding small finance banks, payment banks, and regional rural banks. Capital, asset quality, and leverage will act as the key areas. Capital, asset quality, and leverage will act as the key areas will be effective from January 1, 2022. RBI introduced a revised regulatory framework for NBFCs named scale-based regulation to regulate the NBFCs based on their size, activity, complexity, and interconnectedness within the financial sector. All the guidelines over SBR would come into effect from October 1, 2022. RBI is organizing its first global hackathon, Harbinger 2021, Innovation for Transformation, with the theme Smarter Digital Payments. RBI has announced that the Indian Overseas Bank is taken out of the PCA restrictions. IOB was placed under PCA in October 2015. RBI has granted permission to Emirates NBD Bank, Dubai, the government-owned bank of UAE, to open 2 more branches in India. RBI, in the exercise of power under Section 2 of Section 35A, read with Section 56 of Banking Regulation Act 1949, RBI withdrew all restrictions imposed on Hindu Cooperative Bank Pathankot, Punjab. RBI imposed monetary penalty of rupees 2.50 lakh on the Madura Saurashtra Cooperative Bank Limited for rule violations. RBI has imposed monetary penalty of rupees 1.95 crore on Standard Chartered Bank, India, and rupees 1 crore on State Bank of India. Number 15, RBI has imposed a penalty of rupees 1 crore on Paytm Banks Limited and rupees 27.78 lakh on Western Union Financial Services for non-compliance with certain directions. Number 16, RBI has imposed a monetary penalty of rupees 56 lakh on the Nainital Bank Limited, Uttarakhand, for non-compliance with its directions relating to divergence in NPA accounts, as well as asset classification and provisioning and classification and reporting of frauds. Number 17, RBI has extended the validity of its directions under Section 35A, read with Section 56 of the Banking Regulation Act 1949, AACS, for Mumbai-based Kapol Cooperative Bank by 6 months up to April 30, 2022. Number 18, RBI imposed several restrictions on Maharashtra-based Babaji Date Mahila Sakakari Bank, including capping withdrawals at rupees 5,000 for customers for 6 months from the close of business on November 8, 2021. RBI issued directions on Lakshmi Cooperative Bank with withdrawal cap of rupees 1,000. Number 20, RBI imposed several restrictions on Nagar Urban Cooperative Bank Limited, Agamat Nagar, Maharashtra, including restrictions on withdrawals up to rupees 10,000 for customers. 21, RBI lifts restrictions on Diners Club India International Limited. 22, RBI granted license to Centrum Bharat Pays Unity SFB, become 12th small finance bank of India. So these are the points I thought I should share with you. Thank you so much. Best wishes.